Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly clear up your Gmail inbox with just a swipe, today's guide will show you exactly how to set the left swipe action to archive in the updated Gmail app. This is a super convenient way to stay on top of your emails. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to adjust these settings. Next, look for the menu icon, which appears as three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. This opens up the side menu, where you'll find a list of different options for your Gmail account. Now, scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on Settings, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can manage the preferences for each of your Google accounts. Find and tap on General Settings. This section covers overall app behaviors, not just settings for individual inboxes. Inside General Settings, select Swipe Actions. Here is where you decide what happens when you swipe left or right on an email in your inbox. Swipe actions are all about quick, on-the-go management, so choosing the action that fits your workflow can save you lots of time over the day. You'll see options for both left swipe and right swipe. Since we want left swipe to archive emails, tap on Change next to the left swipe option. A list of available actions will pop up. Select Archive from the list. Once Archive is checked, anytime you swipe an email to the left, it will be archived instantly and moved out of your inbox. No extra taps needed. That's it. You've now set your left swipe action to archive in Gmail. This update makes it easy to clear out your inbox and keep things organized, all with a single gesture. So go ahead, give it a try. Swipe left on an email the next time you check your inbox, and watch it disappear into your archive, making your Gmail experience smoother than ever. Happy organizing!